Today we have been riding in Sunnyvale, offering assistance to the citizens that were traumatized by the tornado that came through this past Saturday. We visited several of the neighborhoods that were affected. We stopped and offered food and water to the deputies, talked with some of the people that were having their houses assessed, and then we went down to Plantation Place RV Park, where we talked to some of the residents that had been affected by the tornado. We made sure that they had information where to go for food, for clothing, for water, for bathing. We also made sure that they had the opportunity for a place to stay, made sure that they had the opportunity to contact their insurance agency, made sure they didn't need any help. Apart from that, we're going to be available to continue to offer any guidance that they might have, any emotional, spiritual needs that they might have, or just give them an ear to talk to express how they've been feeling. Again, as the Sheriff's Department, we not only offer law enforcement protection, we also are here to help with whatever they need in their daily lives.